Gandang araw po, research panelist. My name is Jaime T. Escobia with the program PhD Curriculum and Instructions. My workstation is at Raha Suliman Science and Technology High School at Binondo. I am teacher 3 to present to you my concept paper regarding the proposal of the dissertation title. Well, my proposed dissertation title is Designing Job Embedded Curriculum Model for Senior High School Humanities and Social Sciences strand, a preparation for job-ready graduates. For the rationale, senior high school graduates are employable. Given the right training and workplace exposure, we just need to develop better mechanisms for government, industry, and academe to work together so we can connect school and work. This is a statement from the Philippine Business for Education Executive Director, which I cited, Justin Raagas. The necessity in creating inclusive and productive workforce through skill-based and job-embedded curriculum is the primary step regarding the issue of employability. With the rising number of unemployed and underemployed among K-12 graduates, this curriculum can be a good start to address the issue at hand. The assurance to employability of K-12 graduates must be founded on the right training, workplace exposure, and refined curriculum implementation. This study aimed to develop a job-embedded curriculum model for Strand specific competencies for work with inputs from the perspective of professionals, practitioners, and related workers on what is essential and practical knowledge and skills to be developed by the learners. To see the significance of the studies, for the curriculum experts, this study can be a model to develop another job-embedded curriculum that are skill-based, competency-aligned, and job-embedded for other strands. For the teachers, this study will help them with their teaching and learning through employing teaching strategies in enhancing practical knowledge and skills of senior high school learners. For the learners, this study will give them information on human-related works, job-embedded learnings, work competency, and job ethics. The learners will also be motivated to find the job pathways through skills training, workplace, environment, and in industry know-how, no? Through this job-embedded curriculum model. The proposed title again, Designing Job-Embedded Curriculum Model for Senior High School Humanities and Social Science Strand, Preparation for Job-Ready Graduates. The study objectives, it aims to develop a job-embedded curriculum model for senior high school in Strand based on the analysis on the essential and practical knowledge and skills needed in the industry as viewed by the professionals and related workers. For the research questions, number 1, what are the essential and practical knowledge and skills needed by the professionals and related workers as perceived by professionals and practitioners? Number 2, what are the essential and practical knowledge and skills in the current curriculum when compared to the curriculum of other high-performing countries? Number 3, what are the qualifications and competencies needed by the Philippine industries as viewed by the hiring managers and labor agencies? What job-embedded curriculum model to be developed to address the essential and practical knowledge and skills needed in the industry and labor market? The last research question, what will be the curriculum experts' conclusion to validate and to confirm the proposed job embedded curriculum model for senior high school strand? The conceptual framework draws like the basis on the basis on the curriculum foundation will be of asking, making a survey sa mga professionals, practitioners, and the related workers, asking what are the essential and the practical knowledge and skills. So by that data, I will be having a foundations on the writing the curriculum. It must be reflected on the essentials and practical knowledge and skills, the standards and goals which that the curriculum must be PPST aligned, um, basically reflecting also the renew and the classroom organization through the innovative teaching strategies or the new strategies to be employed in the classroom. So the learners also reflected the innovation, exploration, and the invention um, to be included in the senior high school curriculum. And it must be collaborative and within the community, bounded by the community-based um, the curriculum. And last one is it must be reflected that the learners developing leadership. So by that basis, I will be writing the curriculum based on the interviews and also the comparative study on the syllabus of foreign countries or Asian countries, the high-performing Asian countries. For my last presentation, it will be we have the same, the dissertation title, Designing Job Embedded Curriculum Model for Senior High School Humanities and Social Sciences Strand, Preparation for Job-Ready Graduates. The main objective is aims to develop a job-embedded curriculum model for senior high school in UM Strand based on the analysis on the essential and practical knowledge and skills needed in the industry as viewed by the professionals and UM's related workers. I will be employing a qualitative study on this dissertation. For my research question, number one, what are the essential and practical knowledge and skills needed by the professionals and UM's related workers as perceived by the professionals and practitioners? So the data source will be, I will be doing the interview, the survey, and other related studies, sourcing out of professional and the UM's job related workers. They know and they understand what are the essentials and the knowledge and skills to be developed. For my data collection instrument, for number one, that will be, I will be guided by the guides, interview guides, and of course, in the form of questionnaires. The data analysis, that will be descriptive phenomenological analysis, thematic analysis. Number two, what are the essential and practical knowledge and skills in the current UM's curriculum when compared to the curriculum of other high-performing countries? My data source will be the senior high school curriculum, curriculum guides, specifically for the UM Strand, curriculum program of various Asian countries, somewhat they called it as a syllabus, just like in Singapore. For the data collection method, I'll be employing a comparative table to be able to see the differences and the similarities. For the data collection instrument, related literature, data analysis, thematic, and comparative analysis. Number three, what are the qualifications and competencies needed by the Philippine industries as viewed by the hiring managers and the labor agencies? I'll be doing the solicitation of the survey, reading of the business journal, research articles, and looking at the job advertisement. For the data collection method, same interview, survey. For my data collection instrument, interview guides, questionnaires, and for data analysis, descriptive and content analysis. Number four, what job-embedded curriculum model to be developed to address the essential and practical knowledge and skills needed in the industry and labor markets. There will be an analysis on the research questions of number one, number two, and number three. And the data collection method will be the RQs for the research question from the number one, number two, and number three. Data collection instrument, curriculum guides for syllabus, and the core syllabus of the selected Asian countries. For my data analysis, descriptive content analysis. My last research question, what will be the curriculum experts' conclusion to validate and confirm the job-embedded curriculum model for senior high school Hume's Strand proposal. My data source will be curriculum experts, professionals, job skills experts, and the proposal of the curriculum to be submitted to them, no, um, to the experts. For my data collection, I'll be using a validation tool that's it's just a check or a checklist. I'll be doing the checklist as a validation tool. The data analysis would be content analysis. Thank you very much. This is what I have in my mind for my presentation of the concept paper and the proposed dissertation title. Thank you very much.